Assalamualaikum doctor, my name is Ahmad Kizakwan and I'm standing here today to share with you the benefit of exercise, especially during this pandemic. First of all, why we need to exercise regularly? So according to Center for Disease Control and Prevention, overall 8.3% of deaths are attributed to inactive and insufficiency level of physical activities. This shows that how important is doing exercise regularly will give a lot of benefit to us as a human being. In Islam state as well that we need to take care of our health by eating balanced meal and do physical activity to stay healthy, because our body is an amanah from Allah to take care of, so that we can perform our practice to Allah SWT every day without any problem. So there are 3 points that I will share with you about exercise. Okay, so the first one, I will tell you what can exercise do to our body. And secondly, I will tell you how to perform exercise correctly according to your interest and how regularly you should do it. And lastly, I will tell you how to make exercise is a fun activity. So before this, I'm also hate doing exercise, but since the pandemic hit our country, my mental health is in bad shape. So I started to do a workout at home because I heard it will help with my mental health, and I will give my best tip to share with you relating to exercise. Okay, let's jump to the benefit of exercise. Okay, when you start exercise, your body will release chemical called endorphin that act like a painkiller in your body, and this chemical will make your body feel good. Okay, exercise regularly also will help you to boost your self-esteem and improve your sleep at night. According to research, a way to prevent and manage communicable disease such as diabetes, blood pressure, high cholesterol, or obesity is by doing exercise regularly. And then exercise also can reduce the risk of getting cancer. Relating to depression, research shown that exercise is an effective way to treat mild and moderate depression. In addition, if you exercise at outside, it will boost your level of vitamin D and your mood as well. Then the most benefit that you get by exercise, it can release your stress. So I want to share my story that one day I got so stressed because of a lot of work. So I put on my sports shoes, went outside and start jogging. And alhamdulillah, it's helped a lot with my stress. Okay, right now I will tell you how to perform exercise correctly according to your interest and how regularly you should do it. So I will split it into 3 categories, which is the first one is cardiovascular exercise, which is any type of exercise to get your heart pumping and gets your breathing harder. When you give your heart and lungs this kind of workout regularly, they get stronger and are better getting oxygen. So a cardiovascular workout you can do such as cycling, swimming and running. Then second exercise is strength workout. This is when you use your muscle. Building your muscle will help you burn more calories and maintain a healthy weight. Strong muscle supports your joint and help you prevent from getting injuries. So we don't need to lift weights to get stronger. Instead, you can focus these three part of your body, which is your upper body by push up and pull up, your abdomen, your core by doing crunches and planks, and your lower body by doing leg raises and squats. Okay, and the third exercise is flexibility training. This exercise will help your muscles, joints stretch and bend easily. Being flexible may also improve a person's sport performance. Stretching before and after workout is needed that will prevent you from getting any injuries. So the exercise that you can do is yoga, martial arts, or you just can do a regular stretching program by counting it slowly like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, the best time to do exercise is 3 or more times a week, and you should do it exercise at least 30 minutes or more in a day. Okay, let's go to the last point on how to make exercise a fun activities. The first one is by exercise with your family, friends or your partner. This will just not make you a healthy person, but it also can strengthen your relationship. That is by buying an equipment also will make it more fun. Let's say just jumping rope is much fun than you just jumping without using it, right? Okay, and the last tips is by doing exercise at outside is much more fun than doing exercise at your home, because exercise at outside will give you vitamin D from the sun, and trust me, and when you start exercise at outside, it will make you happier than the exercise at your home. In conclusion, I have described 3 points why you should exercise, especially during this pandemic, which is we can see that it give a lot of impact to our health. As for pleasure, exercise is not only changes your body, it will changes your mental, your attitude, and your mood. Small action lead to big changes, so better start now than late, because exercise can prevent you from get a lot of trouble in the future. Okay, that's all from me. Okay, thank you.